Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. We came back to give you a strategy on repeat sentence which I didn't explain in my previous lecture. So today's strategy is like baby learning. Baby learning means once we are in our childhood we learn things like reading, writing and speaking. What did it mean? It means that whenever you are going to listen the sentence, okay, first of all you have to read the sentence, then go to listen the sentence, after that write the sentence, and in the last speak the. Sorry guys, there were so many mistakes in my writing. I'm not noticing that. Why? Because I think it is understandable while I am speaking, so it's not important to write very accurate while giving the lectures. So the strategy is going to help you by reading, listening, writing and speaking the sentence. This practice will help you to get you accurate in repeat sentence as well as in your write from dictation. Why? Because write from dictation is also a task 90% similar to the repeat sentence. Okay, in repeat sentence we have to listen and speak the sentence, but in write from dictation we have to listen and write the sentence. So why we are waiting to cover the write from dictation in another task? Why we cover it in our repeat sentence? We have so many options to cover the task, like written lecture and summarize spoken text. These are the same task, but in written lecture we have to listen and speak, and in a spoken text we have to listen and write. So similarly, repeat sentence and write from dictation. Repeat sentence and write from dictation is same as same task, same as repeat sentence. Okay, now moving to the another part, how we can write or listen the sentence. How? Just a minute, I have to. So now I have took two sentences and there I am going to give you a short detail about how we can improve our repeat sentence. How can we? Okay, the question was how we can improve our repeat sentence by reading, listening, speaking the sentence. Okay, so as you know that on internet media there are lots of media available on PTE predictions. In these prediction we have lots of repeat sentence which were repeated in previous exams. So we have to memorize the sentence by reading the sentences. Okay, it will help you to get a thorough notes, thorough details of the sentence, like if sentence means that means or author or sustainability or eggs. Okay, by reading the sentence we have an opportunity to know that in this sentence we have s, in this sentence we have s as well, and the sustainability is there. Okay, so where we have to pause or where we have to give a pressure. Okay, so another step is to listen the sentence in recording, like in recording or in practice session. Listen, only listen the sentence. After that you have to go to write the sentence. Okay, write the sentence and read the sentence as well at that time. Now the last thing is that you have to speak the sentence. Okay, now at the end what I am going to do is I am going to repeat the strategy which I have shared in this session. Okay, so the strategy is listen, write, read and speak. So while you start repeat sentence, listen. Sorry, it is not working right now. Now while you start your repeat sentence, listen it carefully or in focused mind. Write whatever you catched. Okay, read the sentence whatever you are writing, ever you are writing at that time. After taking some time, speak the sentence. Okay, now I know you all are thinking that the strategy is very lengthy. Yes, it will take time to get accuracy and repeat sentence, but this strategy is going to help you, benefit you to get accuracy, to get proper repeat sentence accuracy, and to get right from dictation benefits. Okay, why? Because while you listen you are preparing for repeat sentence, while you write you are preparing for write from dictation, and in between writing you have chance to improve your spelling mistakes. So there are lots of benefits. So try to adapt this strategy in your daily life. I hope it will work very well. Thanks for watching this video. We will come with our next session with the describe image. Thanks for watching.